Hello everyone. In today's talk, I am going to give you some information on mitosis. Mitosis is a type of cell division that results in two daughter cells, each having the same number and kind of chromosomes as the parent nucleus. In cell biology, mitosis is a part of the cell cycle, when replicated chromosomes are separated into two new nuclei. Now, what is the meaning of DNA replication? DNA replication is the biological process of producing two identical replicas of DNA from one original DNA molecule. Mitosis is known as equational division because the chromosome number in each daughter cell is equal to that in the parent cell. A human cell has 23 pairs of chromosomes. After meiotic cell division, each daughter cell has 23 pairs of chromosomes. So mitosis, which is an equational division, helps to maintain chromosome number in a species. The process of mitosis is divided into stages corresponding to the completion of one set of activities and the start of the next. These stages are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In prophase, condensation of chromosomes takes place. The condensed chromosome consists of two sister chromatids joined at the centromere. Centrosomes moves apart towards opposite poles of the cell. Mitotic spindle forms. The nucleolus begins to disappear. The nuclear envelope stays intact during the process. Next stage is metaphase. Metaphase is defined as the point at which all of the chromosome pairs are fully condensed, attached to the mitotic spindle, and aligned at the center, termed the metaphase plate. Chromosomes line up at the metaphase plate under tension from the mitotic spindle. The two sister chromatids of each chromosome are captured by microtubules from opposite spindle poles. Next stage is anaphase. In anaphase, sister chromatids separate and the now daughter chromosomes move to opposite poles of the cell. Anaphase begins when the duplicated centromeres of each pair of sister chromatids separate and the now daughter chromosomes begin moving toward opposite poles of the cell due to the action of the spindle. Next stage is telophase. Telophase is the final phase of mitosis. Its name derives from the Latin word telos, which means end. During this phase, the sister chromatids reach opposite poles. The small nuclear vesicles in the cell begin to reform around the group of chromosomes at each end. Two nuclei are created in the one cell. Telophase is followed by cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is the process in which the cell actually divides into two. Now you have got a brief idea of mitosis. I hope this video has helped you to understand mitosis. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.